In this video, I'll show you how to get your Claude API key step by step. The first thing you need to do is search in Google for Claude Console. Click on the first result that says Anthropic Claude Console. Once you're on the page, sign in with your account. I'm going to sign in using my Google account. After signing in, you'll see three options on your screen. From these, select the one on the right side that says Get API Key and click on it. As you can see, I already have an API key created, but if you want to make a new one, click on the button that says Create Key. Now you can choose a workspace. You can keep it as default or choose Claude Code. Then give your key a name and click Add. Once you do that, the console will generate your new key. You'll see it appear on your screen, and you can copy it by clicking on the copy icon. Keep this key safe because you'll need it to connect Claude with your applications. And that's it. That's how you create and copy your Claude API key. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more quick and easy tech guides.